All right, to start, I'm gonna set my first guideline, and I'm using the crease of my ear as a reference point of where to put my first guideline at. Now we're gonna take our clippers, no guard, lever open, and we're just gonna go straight up about a 1/2 inch. That's it. Now we're gonna put on our 1 guard, lever open, we're just gonna go up another 1/2 inch. And make sure you're brushing the hair back in place as you go. Now we're gonna put on our 1.5 guard, lever open, and we're just gonna flick at the top of the taper just to get some of that darkness out of there so it fades together with the rest of the taper. And as you can see, this step doesn't take much because I'm already done after 3 strokes. Now we're gonna put on our 0.5 guard, lever close, and we're gonna use this to get this middle line out that you see right here. And we're just gonna flick at that line until it fades in. And make sure you're flicking. Do not go straight up because you don't wanna make another guideline. Now we're gonna take the guard off the clippers, lever open, and you see how that middle line isn't quite faded in yet? We're gonna use the corner of our blades just to gently flick that middle line away. And eventually, it'll fade right in. Now we're gonna close the lever, no guard on. And that very first guideline that we made at the beginning of the taper, we're just gonna lightly flick at it until it fades in. Now we're just gonna take our 1.5 guard, lever open, and I'm gonna just flick at the top of the taper a little more just to get that area a little lighter so it fades together even better with the rest of the taper. Now we're just gonna line that boy up. Then sheesh, clean taper, man, yes sir. And I'm gonna show y'all how I did my line up next. But until then, stay tuned and follow me on 360 Silk for more. Yes sir.